Oh, whoa, whoa, hey, everybody, it's the program. We're on TV once again, once a day, every day. Turn on the machines and live for Micah countertops. I don't know what my countertops are made out of. Laminate? I don't know what they call that regular stuff. You know, they have the regular stuff on the countertops. You got a countertop, and it's probably pieces of, particle board. Because I don't have like a marble slab. I think I have particle board, and then they just put tiles. But it's not tiles. It's like the illusion of tiles. It's just like one big piece of thing. I think they call that laminate. Maybe this is a question for Mr. Ginsu. Mr. Ginsu, do you know about countertops? It's a question for Lowe's Home Goods. When did Lowe's show up? They're competing against Home Depot, and they showed up out of nowhere. Now they're replaced. They're competing. Hey, I guess that one's been there for a while. Give me a Formica countertop. Not sure what Formica is. I ate some old food. You know what they say about old food? Don't eat it. But I did eat it, and I'm going to see how I feel. So viewers, if you are watching this, and see if I'm going to get worse or... Because I had about half hour ago, less, and it was about 18 hours old food, and I was out. I ate it anyway. Smelled it, a little slimy, a little old, but let's see how it goes. I think it'll probably be okay. It's been about a day since yesterday. I think yesterday we did the program early in the morning, right? Like at about 9. I think we started around 9:30, 9 o'clock. So it's been a whole day and a half now. Sometimes it's like less than a day, and sometimes it's like a day and a half, but sometimes it's 12 hours, sometimes it's it could be 12 hours, more like 13, like 10 to 10, that's 12, so yeah, it could be 10 hours, or 12 hours, today it's like 28, 30 hours, almost 30 hours, it's like once every 24 hours, so sometimes there's more time between the times, and sometimes there's less. Well, my grandmother drove into a bush. And we're going to find out about how she's doing. I'm not going to mention it to her, but that happened. So I'm going to call her later on. We'll see how that worked out. It's hot out again. I think it wasn't so hot in the past couple of days. And it's Sunday, though, so we made it back around the week. That's what that means. And then we're going to have all these other weeks. So today I think we're going to look at some more of this lake. Lake Fair. Well, maybe we should have done Lake Fair now that I'm watching this video back. It would have worked out. We're doing some Thurston County Fair video. Maybe we'll take the camera down to the next fair also. The Thurston County Fair is a good one. We're going to watch that stuff back. And then we're going to look at the Clark County Fair maybe next, or whatever county fair is next after this Thurston County Fair, and then go to the county fairs until you get to the state fair, and that's a whole nother thing. I don't know if I want to get into that now. I'm trying to think of the things that I saw. There's people out there, the street people, they're fair weather and bad weather, like they're out there rain or shine, or where else are they gonna go? And the people out at the fountain, there's a whole weird section of people where it's like those homeless people or the fountain patrons. I guess if you're a patron, you have to give people money, but the fountain goers anyway. I guess I'm one of them. Like I'm drinking out of the fountain right now. And the security people, and there's like security people there, but they're like pretend they want to be your friend. The security people, they pretend to be your friend because that's what they're. I mean, they're trying to get it in. They're trying to get an in on you. But the other people that are there, so like it's like an odd thing. Where are you gonna go? It's like security people. They're not fun. Making things less fun. For money. For my money, I think, too. The government money. The government's paying. Like, the police aren't enough. They need to get, like, oh, it's like the police are too heavy-handed. We're going to get some lighter security people who, can't do anything real. I think they can't really do anything real. But they're trying. They want to be real, but they're not. Looks like Freddy's on day 10 of that thing. Taking a look at the phones, looks like Mr. Ginsu tried to call us. Yeah, Mr. Ginsu called and left a message. Maybe we should call him back. Give him some time. Wow, he left a long one.
Yeah. Sitting here watching, just turned on TV on some movie called Party Time or something. And then it was supposed to be some sort of freaking movie for couples or sweethearts or something.
Sweethearts.
Movie or something. So anyway, within the first minute or two of the show's start, or the introduction, this chick is welding, right?
Welding.
So she had a jacket on, she's welding, and then she takes the jacket off, and now she had a leather jacket on, now she got a bikini on underneath the leather. Now she takes the leather off and starts welding in her bikini.
Oh, it's dangerous.
Stupid.
Oh, dangerous.
That is not welding procedure. Did you know that welding in your bikini will give you a full body cancer? You get cancer on your whole body instead of just your fucking face or your neck or your arm or your leg or something. Being out in the sun, it's like being right in the sunshine, except it's much worse. It's so fucking bright. It fucking burns you.
Really?
If your skin is able to be seen by the light. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't do that. If you see somebody with their neck hanging out, say, hey, your neck's hanging out. You're going to get a sunburn on your fucking neck because you're welding with your neck hanging out.
You're nuts?
What are you trying to do? You're not afraid of the sparks or nothing. But that's not the problem.
I don't know about
Sparks aren't the problem. It's
radiation.
the light. So, she burned. Literally.
Really?
She probably didn't weld very long. She probably flashed around.
I don't know about welding.
You know, is she welding or not? She's a welder. You know, don't be fucking welding in bikini. You get a freaking full bikini burn. Oh, fuck.
What are you even watching, Mr. Ginsu?
Yeah. Don't be welding in a bikini. That was, what you saw on TV was very, very, very wrong.
You're using a baby voice? Call him back early this time. We'll have a lot of time to say things. if he's there. Mr. Ginsu, are you a real person? Hello.
All right. Oh.
Mr. Ginsu, it's the program. We're on TV. How are ya?
Okay, I suppose.
Not the best? What's wrong? Something's wrong?
My feet are getting cold.
Your feet are getting cold?
Yeah.
You have circulation problems?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What's going down with you?
I think you should try getting one of those, you know, those hand exercisers?
A
You
what?
squeeze?
Hand-
You squeeze it?
Where do you get one of them?
They have them at department stores. You could probably buy them at Walmart or on. They have them at Daiso, the dollar store. There's one down there.
I'll have to look.
Go get one of those. That'll improve your circulation in your whole body. Just using that with your hands.
All right.
It's something you can do while you're sitting. I used to have one that I was using on the program, but I don't know what I did with it.
That's great. How many times can you squeeze it all the way?
You know, I don't know if I've ever reached my limit, but I see it on the wall.
You
I
never reached your limit.
I just do about 20 each hand, and then I switch off and go for a while until I decide that I don't want to do it anymore.
So I used to just grab onto it and hold it all the way closed and sit there for a few minutes.
Yeah, that'll probably work too.
Yeah.
Well, what you do is you never let the tension go all the way, but you squeeze it and let it out, not quite to where it's holding itself, you know. And then it's pretty much like holding it and closing it at the same time.
I'll try a dollar store. I'll have to walk in the dollar store and see what trick they got going on.
Yeah, go find one of those things to help your feet. Maybe, I don't know. I think it will. You don't have diabetes, do you? Have a family history of diabetes?
Diabetes.
Yeah.
No.
No? You're not urinating excessively at night?
No.
All right, well, that's good. Maybe you don't have diabetes, but if numb feet, it's not good.
I gotta pee till I get up in the morning.
Just regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no numb feet, though. Or
No.
you got numb feet.
Yeah, my hand goes a bit numb sometimes.
Uh-oh. That's a diabetes sign, too, but get those things. It'll help your circulation.
I think it's more because I got pinched nerve in my neck or something.
Mm.
And my shoulders are kind of fucked up.
From your back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know my one shoulder blade, if I lean on it, it feels like the end of my shoulder is coming out through the end of my shoulder. If that makes any sense. Feels like there's a knife. It's like a knife pushing out through the end of my shoulder if I lean backwards against my shoulder blade.
You got a problem.
Yeah, it don't feel good, let me tell you. It feels like getting stabbed.
You ever been stabbed before?
Well, to a point. Yes and no. I got a small cut, if that means anything.
Well, that's not getting stabbed.
It was in a stabby motion.
Was it on purpose?
Well, yes, and yes.
Somebody punctured you on purpose with a blade?
Well, yes.
Oh, that's getting stabbed then.
Yeah. I did scare. They said I scared them.
Who?
Huh?
Who did you scare? Who did you scare? And who said that?
Oh,
What?
just someone. And I jumped at him, and he whipped up the knife, and then I jumped at him again, and he stuck it up there and got me just a little bit. And he's like, "You scared me." I'm like, You got me.
Nope. It was just a small one?
Small, yeah, it's small. It's a little nick. Under my arm.
Ouch. Well, at least you didn't get like stabbed for real, like good and stabby.
Yeah, he was being Mr. Stabby. Yeah.
Have you you welded before? You know about welding?
Yeah.
Were you a welder?
I should go back and be a welder, but freaking a pain in the ass.
Welding, there's a lot of money in welding, isn't there?
I don't know. I never really found out how much they was paying. Nobody ever told me the amount they're paying.
You learned to weld?
It's never like I've never seen the wage number.
I didn't realize that just like the light is gonna affect you. It's gonna burn you, just like it's so bright that's gonna burn your skin.
Yeah. If you go welding with fucking nothing on, you get come out with a freaking suntan or sunburn.
So is radiation?
Sunburn looking thing, welding burn.
And is radiation?
More light. It's just so bright, like the sun. And it's not good. Need protection.
Is that from like arc welding, or what kind of welding does?
That's the arc. It's arc flash. And the arc flash is bright enough to give you a sunburn.
So people wear...
You sit there and weld for 30, 45 minutes, and you're going to have one hell of a sunburn.
They wear the full body suit to do that.
Yeah.
And the big mask.
Not necessarily a full body suit. At least, they wear pants. They don't let their shins be shown. Yeah.
I mean, that's enough to protect you.
I saw it in the movies. It might not have been real. Might not even been real. She might not even really been welding or arc flashing. She might have been. But
what Flashdance?
Pardon?
What movie are you watching? Flashdance?
No, it was Party Time.
Party Time.
Yep.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know. A movie for people who are interested in each other.
Ooh, a romance movie?
Something similar or something, I don't know.
It was on TV?
That's what they said or something. It was Party Time was the name of the movie. And
never heard of it.
A movie for couples or something.
It was on TV?
It was, I know in the first minute or two of the movie, she's down there welds in a bikini.
Yeah, that seems like a weird movie.
Ain't a good idea. Ain't a good idea. Do not do that.
Where was the movie?
On TCTV.
Was it made for TV movie? I never heard of it. Party Time.
First time.
Welding.
Yeah. They was doing it.
You welded stuff in the past?
Pardon me?
Have you welded stuff in the past?
Yeah, I went to a welding class in Sucia College.
Yeah.
And I got straight A's pretty much. And then I got very good scores. But then my back was hurting. I went and fucking got my certification. I was certified welder, but I couldn't walk. Fuck the hell off. They wouldn't give me drugs. I couldn't walk. I couldn't work.
Yeah, but you
can't weld.
You can't weld on drugs.
Well, fucking, I guess not either. Either way. So I'm damned if I do and I'm damned if I don't. I'm pretty much damned now. So.
Well, why don't you go back to? You could weld now.
Drug addict, mother pickers.
Does your certification expire?
Oh yeah, after 4 years.
Oh, well, you can go back and get it pretty easily though. You still know how to weld.
I could. Just just a matter of fucking doing it, but I haven't had time because I'm working.
There's a lot of money in welding.
I suppose maybe I should just go back and get my certification and then take off from my welding or my job and go get a welding job.
What do you
make a lot more money?
What are people welding together, like buildings or something?
Pardon me?
Cars? What do you weld when you're a welder? What are you making?
Structural steel.
Like for buildings?
Material that's like 1.5 inches to 2 to 3 inches deep.
Uh-huh.
And you can weld on that. I was able to weld 3 inches.
Like for
arc welding, gas welding.
For what? For cars? For buildings?
For anything, but mostly structural.
So buildings?
Weibo.
What is structural is buildings, right?
Yeah. Most probably what you'd be doing. Bridges and buildings.
Welding bridges, huh?
Bridges and buildings. Steel buildings. Other stuff. You can weld on fucking the blades on a cat. Right?
Mm-hmm. They stripped down the building, you know, the big building by Capitol Lake that's been there and empty?
I'm not sure.
Well, you know, like downtown Olympia, and you're going up to the hill, to the west side, there's a big building on the left, and it's real tall.
It's real tall, and it's empty now?
Yeah, it's been empty for as long as I can remember.
What the fuck?
You remember that one? You don't remember that one?
I don't remember it being empty.
What was there?
There was an office building.
Well, it's been empty since like the early 90s.
The parking garage?
There's no parking garage.
You were in the parking garage?
No, well, and they stripped that building down to now all it is it's still there. The building's still there, but it's just exposed metal. They took everything else out.
Oh, so they're demolishing it.
I heard they're going to rebuild it.
Huh.
They're just going to keep the skeleton of the metal there because it's solid, I guess.
Yep, they're just going to replace the shell.
Yeah.
Keep the frame, replace the shell.
Yeah.
Hope don't fall down someday.
Yep.
Because you're too cheap to replace the frame.
Yeah. It was the Thurston County Fair this week, too.
Thurston County Fair? Holy cheap shit, remember that? Get to it, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be there, ain't you?
I already went there. I went there for 2 days. Today's the last day of it. Did you go to that? Did you go to that when you were around?
When I was around once or twice whenever you were there.
You went there?
Yeah.
Oh, you went there to stalk me? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you're pretty freaking smart, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Smart ass or something.
You never went there on your own, though?
Well, I was on my own.
Yeah.
Nope.
Well, it's happening right now. Freddie put in a bunch of stuff. He's probably going to see if he wins.
Freddie's down there right now?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe I have to go over and see what's going down.
He basically lives there.
Yep.
I took some video of it.
Oh, you got video?
Mm-hmm.
Hell deal.
Yeah. All right.
Almost done fixing the car in my driveway.
Yeah, you got the you started back up on it with the hose around the timing belt.
Oh fuck! It's been one thing after the other.
Well, yeah, you put
after the other after the other.
Did you put in the tensioner?
Oh yeah, you got a new tensioner, a new timing chain.
Mm-hmm.
So then I had to take some shit apart.
Oh yeah.
Because I forgot to put a fucking seal in the gasket. So I fucking had to rip the whole thing out, sucker out, and then I had to put it all back together. So I pretty much put it back together and took it apart twice.
Wow.
But everything I keep doing seems to have, it don't stop either.
It's not working?
The way the car goes together, holy fuck, dude. Took a genius to freaking make it such a clusterfuck.
Yeah, but you know how to do it, right?
Yeah. I'm just saying, you get some bolts in there, and then you try to put these other bolts in there, but now the one bolt won't go in. Oh, holy fuck. Finally I found it was a tool problem. I went and found a wrench, a proper size wrench. And then I could put a bracket on with the bolts in it, but not tightened up. And then I could put the power steering pump in with this one particular bracket loose.
Yeah.
And as long as you put it in there with that bracket loose, it'll go in and you can get the freaking bolts in and shit. But that was a bitch.
Wow. But you got it done?
Well, yep, that part done. And now the crank, I gotta uncrank it. I gotta uncrank the bolt, loosen the bolt off the crank. But it seemed to want to turn. Oops.
So it's still, the car's still not going though?
Not yet, but it's almost, it's real freaking close. I gotta put the radiator in it. And I gotta put the crank shaft pulley back on. And then I gotta put tension pulley back on.
Yeah. Well,
and
you're putting a lot of effort into your neighbor's car.
Yeah, you could say. There's a lot to do, but it's not that bad. It's just my back hurts like a motherfucker, man.
Your back hurts still?
Yeah, because they worked me pretty hard at work, so.
What are you doing at work?
Working out.
Punching stuff?
Huh?
Punching?
45 pounds. I work out with 45 pounds.
You been punching stuff?
Yeah, I have.
What?
But then I also work out with 45 pounds.
What? Oh, after? What? Curls?
Well, above my head.
What do you call
I
that?
put 45 pounds above my head and then I throw it down as hard as I can.
What do you call that?
I'm not saying, but
what? You're not saying with the lift?
On Discovery for the past 200 years.
You don't want to say what it's called?
No.
Like this. You don't want to tell what the exercise is called? It's a secret?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
All right.
I can't remember.
All right, well, I'm going to call my grandmother next. You got anything else you want to say today?
No.
No?
I can't remember. My uncle, I forgot to ask him if the doctor thing was the deal in the Army.
Oh yeah, I don't think you have to be in the Army to be a doctor still. So yeah,
maybe I'll call him back up as soon as I can and try to remember to ask him that.
All right. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mr. Ginsu, there goes. Maybe try to call Yellow Fellow. Over Washington. Washington State is this. The coast, the Olympic Peninsula. Ooh, look at that.
Making your belly talk?
Hello, Yellow Fellow.
Hello, Kenny.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. It's been a while. Sorry, I've been busy.
Yeah, why? What have you been doing?
Just a lot of the usual stuff, kind of. Actually, no, there's some other stuff going on rather than the usual stuff. That sounds extremely vague and doesn't make any sense. But, I used to be able to talk to you guys more because I had headphones that had, like, a little speaker, like, mic in it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and I don't have those anymore.
What
So I have
happened?
to use my hands. I don't know. I think they broke.
Oh, no, you were using them and they stopped working?
Yes.
Oh, you gotta get
That's what
some.
happened.
You gotta get some more of them.
Yeah. How's everything going with you?
Good. I haven't been talking to you in a while. AV called the program.
Oh, have you called the show?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was that like?
Well, AV left a message like 2 or 3 days ago, and then I tried to call back for a couple of days and never answered again, so and then I gave up, so.
Oh, I see. Do you want to talk to Emily?
Sure.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, Emily. It's Kenny. It's the program. We're on TV. You know about this?
Yeah, John told me about it. I just forgot your name.
Yeah. Have you seen the show?
No, I've never seen the show.
Oh, well, John's doing you a disservice. You got to see the show.
Yeah, he's withholding it from me, I guess.
Yeah. It's Phil. How?
No, but I've never seen it.
Are you at the Airbnb? Are you at the Airbnb?
No, we're walking down the street. We're going to, where are we going? To the beer store.
Oh yeah, you're gonna
Hell
get some.
yeah.
You're gonna get some beer. John. I remember last time I was talking to him, he said he was gonna stop drinking, but now he's back into it again, which is fine.
Oh, he was gonna stop?
He was.
That's funny.
He was for a minute. Yeah, it's funny to me now.
Oh, he's laughing.
Yeah, I think it's
I don't
fine. It's fine for like he could drink, but it's funny that he told me specifically he wanted to stop drinking.
I don't know. I think every time I've seen him, he's drank something.
Did you just meet him?
Yeah,
Are you
not that long ago.
Oh yeah, where'd you meet him?
At a concert.
At that house?
Or actually, no. Technically, I met him at a party
Oh.
before that.
Was it at that house with the where his
At the house we're actually hanging out at tonight.
Oh, but you had that John asked me if he had that experience. He knows what house I'm talking about.
What are you saying?
He had that experience with that woman in that house.
With what woman?
John? Is it that house?
Huh?
Ask him.
What house?
Ask him.
Oh.
You know, he knows.
Oh, John, did you have an experience with some woman in that house?
Yeah, he used to live there.
He said he used to live there.
He used to live there? Oh, I thought she used to live there.
Oh, I don't know.
Something like that. So it is that house, though. That's the party house. He caught.
It is a party house. It's a venue.
There was somebody who was seeing.
Venue.
Oh yeah, and then he like walked into a room in that house, and then he was in bed with another man or something.
Do you want to talk to John?
No, I can talk to you. What's
Wait, here, talk to John real quick, and then he'll give the phone back.
Oh, okay.
What's up, Kenny?
Hey.
Yeah.
You're walking to the beer store, and is it the convenience store?
No, it's like a pizza place. They have like wine. They have beer.
So it's like a restaurant?
It's like a restaurant, bar. Wait, not a bar. Well, people buy beer and then they sit down at the tables and eat pizza and stuff.
That's not really the beer store to me.
Oh, yeah, it's not really the beer store. I'm sorry, I misled you.
Oh yeah, the store is.
You just want.
What?
Wait, you wanted to stand back? Oh, I thought you said it.
He's trying to say, like regaling some experience.
Regaling. You were trying to regale some experiences with me through Emily?
Oh, I was telling her about the time that you caught that person from that house in bed with another
Oh,
man.
in bed with my ex-girlfriend? Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're trying. Thank you.
Yeah.
That did happen there, yeah. So, yeah, that's the same place we're at.
It's that house,
she doesn't
yeah.
live there anymore?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
It's quite the house. That's like the.
It's quite the house. It's quite the place. But it's going to be gone in a month.
Oh, yeah. With the landlord?
Yeah. What's up?
Landlord issues?
Landlord issues, yeah. They're kicking them out, charging more to other people coming in, and like 2 days after them, even though the house needs like renovations, and that's the reason they claim they.
Yeah, those
it's just
punk
like
houses.
slumlords.
Punk houses can't last. You know, there'll be another one though after that one goes down. There is always a need for a space. So somebody will also
right.
start back.
It's sad to see the place go. Like, here's Emily.
How long has it been going for?
Oh, he's still asking you a question, dude.
Oh, that's okay. How long?
What did you ask?
That house is going away. The one that's you know the same thing. In a month.
Yeah. I know.
How long has it been there?
Sean, how long has it been there?
What?
How long has it been there? Like 7 years.
Oh, yeah, it's a long time.
Yeah.
You gonna get pizza?
Yeah, we're gonna get pizza. I guess I should hang up.
Why?
Huh?
You guess? Yeah, have you?
Yeah, it's too loud in here.
You have arrived?
Yeah, we've arrived.
You like meat?
Do I like what?
You like meat, or are you gonna be a vegetarian like John?
Oh, I'm a vegetarian.
Oh yeah, just like him.
Yup.
All right. Well, if you're gonna hang up, you tell him to put him on the line,
All right.
please.
All right, I'll talk to you later, Kenny.
Bye.
All right, bye.
All right, let's call. Let's call my grandmother. I don't know if we're gonna have time to get to Thurston County. We'll get to a little bit of it. Still have 18 minutes. It's still quite a bit of time, really.
Hello, this is Ty's phone. Leave a name and number, and she'll call you back as soon as you can.
Oh, hello?
Hello.
Hello, Andrew.
Yo.
Hi, how are you?
Great, how you doing?
Real good. Didn't answer the phone for a while, huh? Oh, maybe you should call a cell phone. Call your cell phone.
No, the phone's gonna die.
Your phone's gonna die? Alright. What are you doing?
I was taking a nap where you're taking a nap.
Oh, yeah? This whole time?
Mm-hmm. What?
Were you asleep this whole time?
No.
When you went to sleep afterwards?
Yeah, watching TV.
What were you watching?
American Pickers.
Oh, yeah? You didn't leave the Ridiculousness Marathon on?
Mm-hmm.
Did you not?
What?
You didn't leave it on?
Did I leave the TV on?
No, Ridiculousness.
Oh, yeah, that's still on.
Are you not watching it?
I fell asleep when I was watching that.
It's the best show on TV.
It's pretty good.
It's especially because you don't need to watch it too much.
Yeah, I think Dad likes it.
Yeah, Dad likes it. I like it. I don't like shows. You gotta watch the show too hard. I wanna look over every once in a while.
Yeah.
Like that show, American Pickers, works like that too.
Yeah, it's background.
What's Grandma doing
Watching NHK.
over there?
Uh-huh.
What's for dinner?
I don't know.
You gonna prepare? It's about time. You gonna get something ready, going for Grandma?
I don't know if she's hungry.
Well, it's dinner time.
I'll ask her.
Did you eat anything since the chow mein?
No, I
lunch?
don't feel very good.
Oh no? Is there any? What happened?
I'm sick, so I stay home.
You drink half a bottle of vodka?
Yep.
Yeah. You have chow mein left? Or Dad eat the rest of it?
I don't know.
You don't know if there's any left?
Yeah, I don't know.
You gotta look at the thing.
Yeah.
Look at the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
You seen anything on the streets?
Nope.
Nothing? You, ever been to the Thurston County Fair before?
Nope.
It's over. Today's the last day.
Yeah. No, I've been there before, yeah.
Oh yeah, when?
A long time ago.
Did, oh, Grandma took her medication today. I already looked.
Mm-hmm.
But on Sundays, what day do you put the medication into the thing? On Saturdays or Sundays?
It's Saturday.
So it's like on Saturday you run it out, and then when you take it all, then you put the new one in there?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. So then on Sunday, if it's in there, then you have to take it again. Because, like, it seems like you'd put it in there, like you take the medication on Saturday, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you put it back on there, and then you look and you're like, oh, Saturday's still there. You would take it twice or something.
Yeah, I don't know what happened though. Because she said she took it, but then she didn't. I don't know when she refilled it or something.
Yeah, the whole refilling and unfilling process is confusing. She's okay over the shit, and I was like kind of worried that she'd like double dosed her medication.
I don't think so.
She's doing okay right now, over there.
Yeah, she's fine.
Does she know I'm on the phone?
Yeah.
Can she hear me? She's not on speakerphone, or? Say hi to
Let
her.
me answer the phone.
Say hi to her. Hello?
Hello?
Grandma? What?
Hello?
Hi, Kenny.
Hi, Grandma. How are you? You gonna... What are you gonna... What?
Talk to you later, she said.
Oh, okay, bye, Grandma.
Yep.
You don't know what you're gonna eat for dinner?
Nope.
You're not hungry?
I'm not hungry.
You didn't eat since lunch?
Yep.
I ate a whole bag of, or half of this bag of peanut butter crunch. But I don't have any more.
Peanut butter crunch?
I ate the peanut butter crunch.
That's a lot.
Yeah, half a bag.
A lot.
Yeah. What are they doing on American Pickers?
They're going outside.
Going outside?
Yep, looks like they're going to a different building.
What state are they in?
I don't know.
They don't tell you?
No, I'm not paying attention that closely.
What do they look like, though? Can't you tell by the look?
They're usually somewhere in the east or Midwest.
What did they find? What did they find just now?
They're not looking at anything right now.
What are they doing then?
They just walked into a new building.
Like a barn?
No, it's like an old house. Oh, now he's looking at some toys.
What kind of toys? Old toys?
Yeah. Old toys.
Have you tried welding?
No.
Alright.
I have not. Have you?
Nope.
Why?
Why have I never tried welding? Never tried welding?
Why do you ask?
I don't know. I heard Mr. Ginsu was talking about welding earlier, and he said that you can get radiation burns. You know that rice that I had yesterday?
Yeah.
I just ate it about an hour ago. I didn't refrigerate it.
Is it still good?
I don't know. I feel okay right now. I'm waiting to see if I'm going to get sick.
Yeah, maybe you will.
How long does it take?
Like a couple hours.
Oh, yeah? I feel fine right now. I ate it.
You gotta digest it.
You think that it's okay to eat that rice? Would you eat it?
Maybe.
Yeah? It didn't smell like it had gone bad, but it's fast. I think it's okay. It was...
Cool.
I guess who knows how long it's been sitting at Popeyes, but I got it at about, 7 o'clock last night, and I ate it about more like 5 o'clock today. So it's almost 24 hours. It's like
red beans and rice?
It's Cajun rice.
Huh.
It tasted fine. I feel fine. That was about an hour and a half ago, so it should have been. I think I would have.
Why didn't you stick it in the fridge? You don't have a fridge?
I do, but I didn't do it. And then today I was like feeling hungry, and I looked, and I was like, "Oh, look at that! I didn't put that in the fridge. I'm eating it anyway."
What kind of fridge?
What kind of fridge do I have?
Yeah.
It's an old one. I don't know. It's avocado green, so it's real old.
Is it a mini fridge?
It is a regular sized fridge. Well, it's a little small. I wouldn't call it a mini fridge though, but it's a little smaller than like your normal
It's in your
fridge.
studio?
It's in the studio, yeah.
Huh.
I feel okay. I feel fine. I think I'm gonna be fine. I don't know why. I guess either
Yeah, I
way.
think it'd be alright.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Bye.
Oh, goodbye.
All right. Let's call Freddie the producer. Maybe Dan Doughboy, Freddie the producer. We're gonna look at some of this stuff from Thurston County. Maybe we should look at the. Oh, look, Olympia. Maybe we can see the building. Where are we? Oh, that's Tacoma. Hey, you've reached Freddie Dobler. I can't come to the phone right now.
Hey, you've reached
But if
Freddie
you leave me a
Dobler.
nice message,
I
I'll
can't
call you
come to
back
the
as soon
phone
as
right
I
now,
can. Thanks a
but
lot.
if you leave me a nice message, then I will call you back as soon as I can. Thanks a lot.
Hey, Freddie, it's the program. Hi, how are you? I'm looking at this video of over the Washington, skies of Washington or something, whatever, it's helicopters. You can call us back. You have about 8 minutes. I'm gonna look at some of this Thurston County Fair video stuff. Okay, bye. Well, we should do the message. We'll do the message from the future, or from the past, and then we'll do the Thurston County Fair. Maybe we'll queue it up, look at Thurston County Fair, and then we'll get ready to record the message of the future thing. Putting this one here. Cue in. Akude. I don't remember what happened yesterday. Oh, and we should try to call John Webster too.
Yeah, it's a good time here. We're talking to Andrew on the phone. Dan Dobler was here. It's too hot in the studio for Dan Dobler.
Wednesday.
I'm gonna go walk home.
But today is Sunday. That was. Did we not record a message of the future for 2 days? Wait, what the heck? Maybe just for 1 day. I don't think I forgot to do it yesterday. Yeah, I think I just put the wrong day on that thing. That was actually Thursday. I just didn't notice. So Wednesday, 1, and then this one is 2. And then yesterday, maybe I forgot to even record a message to the future.
Yeah, it's a good time here. We're talking to Andrew on the phone. Dan Dobler was here. It's too hot in the studio for Dan Dobler. I'm gonna go walk home.
Bye, future. Yep. Oh, looks like I forgot yesterday, so take a look at the tape. Good thing we have the tape. We'll get a clip from it. Sure. Alright, let's look at this. It's this one, Saturday. It's on here. So we did tape it. That's good, at least. So now we're not going to look at the fair video because we're going to be doing this thing where we switch out we switch things out. Okay. So let's go back here, find a clip. And then put that clip on the Message of the Future tape. Oh. A ribbon on our... I see people taking out the garbage. Ribbon. Let's see if this is gonna be a good clip. Hi, you've reached Ty's phone. She can come
Hello,
phone now.
this is Ty's phone. Leave a name and number, and she'll call you back as soon as you can. Thank you.
Hey, Andrew's getting on the bus. Hello, Grandma, you there? Oh yeah, I guess I kind of want to find one with the date on it. I think it's going to be farther back. Like usually towards the beginning. Maybe I should just let it rewind all the way. But then we're running out of time. We only have a few minutes left. I guess we'll have more time to look at the Thurston County Fair tomorrow. Or whatever. Sunday is a talkie phone day because of Mr. Ginsu and things. Still, I'd like to look at a minute of Emilio's and get through it that way. Nope. Still no date. I thought the date would be on there. I just can't rewind it all the way. Just let it go. Sometimes you want to stop and look. But I'm just going to slide and glide. Glide and slide. Glidden and slidden. A gludeslude. A gludeslude. We got a new dice mat, which is what I called this thing, even though there's no dice. It looks really similar to the old one. Actually looks like almost exactly the same as the old one. Maybe I should have changed it up a little bit. Oh no, it's different. This is the old one. Real similar though. Wow, kind of well, this one's got a TV and stuff. But this one is definitely worn out. It's years old. The new one is fresher. Oh, you took it down. They took it down immediately? You're gonna put it back up. Alright, there. Forever and ever. Amen. It's Saturday, episode 2877. We can take a look at some of this stuff. I don't know how far we can get into this fair tape. This is from yesterday again. Remember when we went to the fair? Wow. Well, hey, that was yesterday actually, not today. So I'm doing that thing where we put the message on things. So yesterday we were looking at the fair footage on Saturday. Today is Sunday the 5th, episode 2878, and it's the time. Bye. Alright, well, I don't know, we don't really have time. I want to take a look at the Thurston County Fair video before it's done. Oh, but this video is almost done anyway. I think it looked like there's not that much left on this tape. Oh wait, no, it's the opposite actually. There's a lot left on the tape. Thurston County Fair. Oh, with that dog. The dog that didn't want to do its thing. Do your thing, dog. Do your thing. The obedience thing. Obey. That's the show. We made it. Thanks, Grandma and Andrew, Yellowfellow and Emily. Where's the thing?
4.
What the heck?
3.
Thanks for watching. 11:30 and 2 a.m. Check that out. Yeah. YDHWM.com. 360-3643-4. Call, leave a message. Get on TV. 109 State Avenue. Number 3. That's our address. Check that out. Graham, it's a good song. Thank you. TCTV, La Baby, Jordy, Fabulous, Graham.com, Drum Webster, Thurston County, Washington State, USA. Thank you. And viewers, that's who you're watching. Thank you. Hell yeah, dog.